This video is designed to walk you through the straightforward steps involved in registering as a foreign employer, either as an individual or a company. Before moving forward, let's clarify the requirement for registering as an individual employer. To initiate the process, the applicant must download a request letter, which will be completed and submitted during the registration. Locate the employer category. Select Registration option. Select Request Letter to Indian Mission for FE Registration Individual Employer option. Once you have obtained the request letter, you can initiate the registration process. Within the same menu, select the Individual option, and the Employer Registration Form tailored for individual employers will appear. This registration form comprises two main sections, Employer Details and Contact Details. Begin by populating the fields under the Employer Details section. Enter the employer's name in the name field. Input the sponsor ID in the sponsor ID field. Provide the URL of the employer's website in the website URL field. Select the employer's country from the national of drop-down list. Specify the number of individuals already employed by the employer in the number of persons already employed field. Enter the government-issued photo ID number in the government-issued photo ID proof number or passport number of the employer field. Enter the employer's mobile number in the mobile number field. Enter a valid and working email ID in the designated field. It's important, as all communication, including the OTP for application submission, will be sent to this email address. Select the employer's country from the country drop-down list. Provide the PIN code in the PIN code field. If applicable, enter the PO Box number in the PO Box number field. Specify the state or province in the state or province field. Enter the phone number or an alternate phone number in the landline phone number or alternate phone number field. In the address field, enter the employer's address, keeping in mind the 200-letter maximum limit. Input the name of the city, town, or village in the city or town or village field. From the jurisdiction, mission or consulate drop-down list, select the appropriate jurisdiction. The options in this list are tailored based on the country selected in the Contact Details section. Ensure the CAPTCHA checkbox is selected and undergo the verification process. Finally, click the Validate button to submit your data. After submitting your data, you will receive a notification on the screen regarding the confirmation email that is sent to the registered email ID including the OTP. Input the OTP received via email. Enter the OTP from your email address and click on the Validate button. You will be directed back to the employer registration page, where you need to upload the necessary documents as per the provided list. Remember that we downloaded the request letter, now it's time to upload it. Ensure that all fields on the request letter are completed in English and bear a signature. Additionally, include the date on both pages of the request letter. On this page, locate the option to upload documents, and specifically, upload the request letter that you downloaded earlier. Click the Upload button to choose the files from your system. Select the checkboxes and then click on Save and Next. Upon successful submission of the documents, a confirmation message will appear. In this message, you will find the application reference number (ARN), which serves as your identification for any subsequent communication regarding your application. Take note of this ARN for future reference. After the applicant submits the application, a confirmation email is sent to the registered email address. This email includes the application reference number along with an attached PDF of the FE registration application form which they have submitted. The applicant can download it for their records. Let's return to the eMigrate website's homepage and explore the employer registration process for a company. This process is akin to the registration steps for an individual employer. Choose the company, partnership, proprietorship or government type employer option to proceed. Like the individual employer registration form, this form is also split into two sections: employer details and contact details. Complete all the fields, ensuring to fill in the mandatory ones marked with an asterisk. Check the capture box and proceed through the verification process. Lastly, click the Validate button to submit your information. Upon submitting your data, a notification will appear on the screen indicating the confirmation email sent to the registered email ID, which includes the OTP. Retrieve the OTP from your email and input it. Click the Validate button to proceed. You will be redirected to the employer registration page, where you are required to upload the necessary documents based on the provided list. At this point, you will be required to upload the request letter you downloaded earlier. For this instance, you must download the request letter to Indian Mission for FE Registration Organization. Complete the form exclusively in the English language, providing all required information, and affix your signature on all 3 pages. Submissions of forms filled in any language other than English will be rejected by the Indian Mission. For company registration, it is mandatory to upload all the required documents. Select the checkboxes. Click on Save and Next. Following the successful submission of your documents, a confirmation message will be displayed. Within this message, you will locate the application reference number (ARN), serving as your identification for all future communication related to your application. Make sure to record this ARN for future reference. Additionally, you have the option to download a PDF of your application form by clicking on the PDF icon. Note that this PDF will be emailed to you on your registered email ID. This concludes the employer registration process.